Hello Rishan, hello Iram. Ikhra, my voice is audible?
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Good evening.
Walaikum salam, good evening. Okay, so we have done linear inequation in last class. So everyone has tried to solve the questions. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay, so I've given you the homework from the NCRT. So everyone has completed the NCRT?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Very good. Iram and Ishan, you have completed?
Yes.
Okay, good. Rishan? Rishan, you have completed the NCRT? Rishan, you can reply me on the chat box. I can't hear you. Rishan, will you please reply me on the chat box? Okay. Okay, so we will start the next type of questions. Okay. So just give me a minute. So in the last class, we have done the questions where there are two inequations and you have separately solved the inequations and then you find the common solution. Okay. Now, this is the type of question where we have a two sign of inequality. So we will check that how can we do these types of questions. So just give me a minute. Okay. So in these types of questions, what we need to do, -11, this is less than equal to 4x minus 3 less than equal to 13. Okay. So in these types of question, we need to focus on this part, the part which have the variable. Okay. So we will focus on this part which have the variable. So first of all, we need to remove this -3. Let this be 1. We need to remove this -3. So anyone can tell me what number can we add in this inequation so that this -3 can be removed?
-3.
Is it +3? This -3. So we will add a +3. So add, uh, just give me a minute. So add 3 in, okay, we will add 3 in this first one. So what happened? We will add to this side. We will add to this side. And we will add to this side. Okay. So Ikhra and Iram, this is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then this will give us -8 less than equal to, this will give us 4x and this will give us 16. Okay. Now, Rishan, my voice is audible? Rishan, can you hear me? You can reply me on the chat box. Rishan? Okay, not issue, but you can hear me. Huh? Okay, so Rishan, please reply me on the chat box if you have any doubt. Okay. So Rishan, we have started this question. So okay, not an issue. Uh, so in the last class, we have done a question where we have a two inequalities and we solve them separately and then we find a common solution. Okay, Rishan, just tell me one thing that now my voice is audible to you. Okay. Please let me know if you will face an issue. So in the previous questions, which we have done in the last class, we have two separate inequalities and we solve them separately and then we find a common solution. Now we have another type of questions where we have inequalities, two inequalities. So what we will do, the term which have the variable, we will focus on this part. And first of all, we will try to remove this -3. So what can we do? We can add 3 in this inequation. So we have added this 3. Now this 3 has been removed. So Ikhra, can you tell me if we want to remove this 4, then what can we do?
Divide by 4.
Very,
Divide the equation by 4.
very good. So we will divide this with by 4. Okay, so this will give us this 2. So divide 2 by 4. So this will give us -8 by 4. So Iram, can you tell me the sign will change or not when we are dividing this with 4?
No, it will not.
It will not. Very good. So this will remain as it is. And this is -2 less than equal to, this is x. This is less than equal to 4. So this is our answer, that x will lie between -2 and 4. Okay, and in interval form, we can write this as -2. Okay, -2 to 4. So x belongs to, in the interval form, we can write like this, -2 to 4. Okay, Ikhra and Iram, this is clear?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if we need to represent this on the number line, then how can we do this? We can draw a number line. Okay, this is minus infinite, this one is plus infinite, and this is what? This is -2. And we can say this is 4. There's no need to write the further points. Okay, and we need this part, so we will dark this portion. Okay, so please note down this, then we will start the next question. And please let me know once you complete this.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, very good.
Done, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. Then please try next question. Okay, try this question number 4. Sorry, I guess the question 4th is the same one. I know. So please leave this and try this one, question number 5th. Please try this. You have a doubt in the division. Okay, Rishan. So not issue. I will explain this again. So Joan, how are you? Can you hear my voice?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. Thank you. Yes, I can hear your voice.
Okay, so Joan, I guess I have given you some questions in the last class. Any doubt in those questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Joan, we have started these types of question. I will explain you again. So
Yes.
Ishan, if you have any doubt, then please let me know. So yeah. In 4th question, this is Ikhra and Iram, you can start question number 5.
Okay.
This is -11x less than equal to 4x minus 3 less than equal to 13. Okay. So John, in this inequation, we have a 2 sign of inequality. So what we will do, this is not x. What we will do, first of all, we will focus on this part, 4x minus 3. So we need to remove this -3 from here. So what we can do, we can add 3 in equation 1. So add 3 in 1. Okay, so this is minus 11 plus 3 less than equal to 4x minus 3 plus 3 less than equal to 13 plus 3. Okay, so now we will get over here minus 8. This is less than equal to, this is 4x. This is less than equal to this 16. Let this be in equation 2. Okay, this is in equation 2. Now the further step is we need to remove this 4 from here. So Joan, can you tell me how can we remove this 4?
We can bring minus 8 to the right side with 16.
No, in inequality, please never shift like this. Okay, always divide or multiply, because there are chances that you can do a mistake. So what we will do, if we need to remove this 4 from here, so we will divide the complete inequation with 4. So our next step is divide 2 by 4. Okay, Rishan, this clear? So this will give us minus 8 by 4, 4x by 4, 16 by 4. So John, can you tell me if you're dividing this with 4, then the sign of inequality will change or not?
No, sir.
No, because we are dividing this with a positive number. The sign of inequality will remain the same, and we will get this minus 2 less than equal to, this will give us x less than equal to, this will give you 4. So this is the final answer.
Yes.
Now in interval form, how can we represent this? We can write it like this. John, I guess we have already done the interval.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can write like this, that if solution is from minus 2 to 4 and both are closed intervals. Okay,
sir. Yeah.
Rishan, this clear? Okay, then please try this one, question number 5th. Okay, and share your answer. Ikhra and Iram, did you completed this one? Ikhra and Iram, this question is completed, question number 5th.
Yes.
Okay, so what's the
No,
answer?
sir, I'm not able to solve.
You're not able to solve, not an issue. Okay, Iram, what is the answer of question number 5th?
I got 22 by 3 is greater than equal to x, which is greater than equal to minus 34 by 3.
Very good. I guess you are getting this answer. X is greater than equal to minus 34 by 3 and less than equal to 22 by 3. Am I
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. This is the correct one. So Ikhra, I will do this question into a 3 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
So Rishan and Johan, do you have any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, Rishan, in which step you have a doubt? Okay. So we will try this one. Okay, next is answer fifth. This is -5 less than equal to 2 minus 3x. This is 2 minus 3x by 4, and this is less than equal to 9. Okay, so Ikhra, can you tell me how can we remove this 4?
So should we multiply 9?
Multiply by 4. Very good. So multiply multiply 1 by 4. Okay, so this will give you -5 into 4. Sign will not change because we are multiplying with a positive number. So 4 into 2 minus 3x by 4. And this is less than equal to 9 into 4. This will give -20 less than equal to 4 will cancel and we get a 2 minus 3x less than equal to, and this will give you 36. Okay. Okay. So Ikhra, can you tell me the next step? Ikhra, can you tell me then?
We should
Uh,
divide by 3.
no.
Minus
We need
no.
to first of all remove this 2.
Okay.
Okay. So how can we remove this?
Move it to the other side.
Yeah. We can't move because we have a 2 sign of inequality.
Okay.
Okay. So what happened in these types of question, we will add a -2 over here. So at -2 at -2 into. So this will give us -20 minus 2 less than equal to 2 minus 3x minus 2 less than equal to 36 minus 2. So this will give us -22 less than equal to, this will give -3x less than equal to, this will give 34. Okay. Now Ikhra, can you tell me the next step?
Now divide by minus.
Very good. Now we will divide this by -3. So okay, so just write over here, divide 3 by -3. So divide this with -3, this with -3, and this with -3. Okay. Now, just tell me the sign will change or not.
So the sign will change.
Sign will change. Very good. So sign will change like this. So we will get like this. This will give 22 by 3 greater than equal to this x, and this is greater than equal to -34 by 3. Okay, so x is greater than this and less than this one. So in the interval form, we can write. So in the interval, first we will write the least value. So that is -34 by 3 up to 22 by 3. This clear? Ikhra, Joanne, and Rishan?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Rishan, this is clear? Rishan? Okay, very good. So please note down this question and then we do a next type of questions. Please note down this. Ikhra, Joanne, and Rishan, please confirm me once you note this.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, good. Joanne and Rishan, please confirm.
Minutes.
Okay. Okay, Rishan, good. Joanne, you have completed this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then please do the next question. Just give me a minute. Please try this question. 10 is less than equal to -5. X minus 2 less than 20. Okay. Please try this question. Please let me know if you have any difficulty in this question. Iram, very good. Your answer is correct. Ikhra, x is greater than or equal to 0 and greater than -2. Very good. Ikhra, x is less than, sorry.
Yes, sir, the sign is changing.
Yeah. Okay, good. Joanna Rishan, please confirm your answer, or if you have any doubt, then please tell me. Rishan, you are not audible. If you have any doubt, then please message me on the chat box. Okay, Rishan. John, you have any doubt in this?
Still doing it, sir.
Okay. Ikhra, very good. Your answer is correct, but -2 should be open interval. Because
Okay,
is
greater than.
Rishan, sorry, your answer is not correct. Please check your answer. John, very good, but there's slight change in the answer. Okay, just give me a minute. So I will do this question. So first of all, Rishan, this -2 can't be removed directly from here. Okay. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to remove this -5. So Rishan, can you tell me how can we remove this -5 from here? Rishan, multiply, no, not multiply, divide with -5. Okay, so divide 1 by -5. Okay, so divide this complete with -5. So 10 by -5, then -5 x -2 by -5 and 20 by -5. Okay, so Rishan, can you tell me the sign of inequality will change or not if you're dividing this with -2? Yes, it will change. Okay, so this will become like this. Now this will give you -2 greater than equal to, this will give you x -2 and this will give you -4. Okay, now Rishan, we need to remove this -2, so let this be in equation 2. So what we will do, we will add 2 in equation 2. So add 2 in equation 2. So what happened, this will become -2 plus 2 greater than equal to -2 plus 2 greater than equal to -4 plus 2. So this will give 0, x and -2. Okay, so what is the final answer? In interval form, we can write like this: -2 to 0, and -2 will be in open interval and 0 will be in closed interval. So Johan, this is clear, the 0 should be in closed interval.
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So Rishan, any doubt in this? Rishan, any doubt in this? No. Okay. So Rishan, please note down this. Then we will start a new type of questions. Okay. Rishan, please confirm me if you have noted this. Okay, so Rishan, can we start next? Rishan, can we start next? Okay, okay, okay. So we will do next type of questions. Okay, so next is next type of question is like this. Next type where Ax next is Ax plus b by Cx plus d greater than equal to k, or Ax plus b by Cx plus d less than k, or Ax plus b by Cx plus d uh, only greater than k, Ax plus b by Cx plus d. This should be suppose less than equal to k. Okay, so we have a 4 types of question now where there is a fraction, or we can say the this variable will be in denominator. Okay, so the fraction type of question where the variables are in fraction, there is both a numerator and denominator. So we have a different method to solve this type of question. We can't solve this directly. Okay, just don't note this. We will understand this with some questions. So for example, if we have a question like this, question, for example, 1 by x minus 5 is greater than 0. For example, we have this question. Okay, if we have a question like this, that x minus 5 is greater than 0, we can directly solve this. We don't have any problem in solving this question. But in these types of questions, when we have the variable in the denominator, so we have a different method to solving this equation. So first step is, first of all, whatever be the numerator and denominator you have, you need to equate that with 0 to find the critical points. Okay, whatever be the numerator or denominator you have, you need to equate that with 0 to find the critical points. So we will put x minus 5, put x minus 5 is equal to 0, put x minus 5 is equal to 0 to find the critical point, to find the critical point. Okay, so we get x is equal to 5. So this step is clear. Whatever be the numerator or denominator is, you need to equate that with 0 to find the critical point. So x is equal to 5 is the critical point. Is the critical point. Is the critical point. Okay, but before that, always remember that that the coefficient of x should be unity and this should be positive. Okay, always remember that the coefficient of x should be unity and this should be positive. So here the x is positive. That's why we will directly solve this. But if this is not positive, or if there is any coefficient, then you need to take common that number. Okay, we'll try those types of cases also. So first of all, we have equate that with 0 and we got the critical point. Then after this, we need to draw a number line. Okay, so this is the number line. Now, in this one, this is minus infinite and this is plus infinite. Then you need to write this critical point. So the critical point is 5. Always remember, first of all, you will plot the critical point. To the extreme right, you have a positive, and then alternatively negative and positive. What does that mean? For example, if we have an equation and we have these critical points, 1, 2, and 3. Suppose we have a question and we have these critical points, 1, 2, and 3. Then what we will do, we will draw the number line. We will plot the points over here, minus infinite, plus infinite, and we'll write the points 1, 2, and 3. Now to the extreme rightmost side, we have a positive. Okay. So to the right side, we have a positive, then negative, then positive, then negative. Okay. This clear? So whatever be the critical points you are getting, you need to plot that. To the extreme right, you have a positive, then negative, positive, and negative. Alternatively, first of all, you need to write the positive, then negative, then positive, then negative, then positive, and so on. So now in this question, we have just a single number. So we will plot that. To the extreme right, we will write the positive and then negative. Now this is greater than 0. Okay, so Joan, greater than 0 means what? Positive or negative? Can you tell me?
Positive.
Positive. So we need to check over here. If this is greater than 0, then this means positive. So we will take the positive part. Positive part means 5 to infinite. So what we will do, we will take this value that x belongs to 5 to infinite. So what is 5? 5 to infinite. Okay. Just give me a minute. Plus infinite. Okay. So now here it is greater than 0, only greater than 0. So 5 will be in open interval and infinite is always in open interval. This clear, Ikhra, Iram, Johan, and Rishan, how we need to do these types of
Yes, sir.
questions? Okay, so whenever the variable is in denominator or you have a fraction like this, then you need to proceed like this one. But always remember here in the question, we have a greater than 0. So if you have a constant over here, you need to shift that constant to the left side. You need to simplify that. Okay. So please note down this question and then try this one. 1 by x minus x. Okay, so try next one. So this is 1 by x minus 6 is less than 0. Please note this question, then try this one and share your answer with me. Ikhra, this is not correct. Iram, this is not correct. Okay, Iram, your answer is correct. Okay, but we always need to write the least number first. Okay, so this should be from minus infinite to 6.
Hmm.
Iqra, please check your answer. And Joanne and Rishan, any doubt in this question? Yes,
No, sir.
Rishan, this is correct. X is equal to 6 is a critical point. Very good. So now find the answer. Okay, X is equal to 6 is a critical point. So tell me the interval. Joanne, you have completed this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Joanne, what's the answer?
X is equal to 6.
X is equal to 6 is a critical point. Okay, this is
Yes,
a
sir.
critical one, but we need to find the complete interval. So we'll check how can we solve this question. Now, this is minus infinite and this is plus infinite. Okay, so first of all, put this one, put x minus 6 is equal to 0 to find the critical point. To Rishan, very good. Okay, just there's a different way to write this, but your answer is correct. Put this to find the critical point, to find the critical point, to find the critical point. So we get x is equal to 6. So we will plot this point. Now, John, this will be positive and negative. So this is less than 0. John, can you tell me we'll select a negative one or a positive one?
Positive.
John, this is less than 0. We need to select negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative, very good. So this part will be our answer. Okay, Iqra? This will be the answer because this
Yes,
is
sir.
less than 0. So our answer will be x belongs to, first of all, we write the least value. So that is, it will start from minus infinite to 6 and both are open intervals. Okay, Iram, this clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So Rishan has already done this question. Okay, so we will start the next question. So next is write this question. X minus 5 next is x minus 5 by x minus 6. This should be greater than 0. Okay, please try this question and share your answer. So in this case, we will have a two critical points. We will separately equate the numerator and denominator to 0. We will get two critical points and then find the complete solution. Any doubt in this question? Shall I solve this or you can do?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we get x 5 and 6. Now for plotting it in the number line, we should take plus 6 and minus 5.
Just give me a minute. So in this question, x minus 5 by x minus 6 greater than 0. Okay. First of all, put put x minus 5 equal to 0 and x minus 6 equal to 0 to find the critical points. Okay. To find the critical points. Critical points. So we get x is equal to 5 from this and x is equal to 6. Okay. Now draw a number line. Then write minus infinite. This is infinite and plot the point 5 and 6. Now the extreme rightmost side, we have a positive, then we have a negative and positive. Okay. So Rishan, can you tell me from this inequality that which sign we need to choose? It is positive or negative? Rishan, can you tell me which sign we need to choose? Very good, positive. This is greater than 0, so we will select the positive one. So what is positive? This complete part and this complete part. So what will be the answer? Answer will be x belongs to minus infinite to 5. Okay. And union 6 to infinite. And union 6 to infinite. Okay. So union 6 to infinite. This union concept, this we will do in the sets, but always remember, if you have a two answer, then we need to use a union. This means our answer is this one as well as this one. Okay, these both are our answers, so we will use a union over here. This clear, Ikhra, Iram, Juan,
Yes,
and
sir.
Ishan? Okay, any doubt in any doubt in these types of questions? So okay, no reply, so I will consider this as yes. Okay, so we will try a next type of question. So shall I rub this? I guess you all have already noted this. Please try this question. Next question is x minus 4 by x minus 2 is less than 0. Okay, please solve this question and share your answer with me. If anyone have a doubt then please let me know. Or if you have already completed this, then please share your answer.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay, so yes, Iqra, what's it out?
So while plotting it in the
Okay, so Rishan got the answer minus infinite to 2, union 4 to infinite. Very good, Rishan. So I will draw a number line, and Iqra, then you can share your doubt. So this is a number line, and this is minus infinite, this is infinite, this is 2, and this is 4. Okay, you're getting the same critical points, Iqra?
yes, sir.
Very good. So to the rightmost side, this is positive. Then we have a negative, and then we have a positive. Okay, so from the sign, can you tell me we need to select which part, positive or negative?
Negative.
Very good, negative. Rishan, I'm sorry, I just missed this part. So this will be our answer. So x should belongs to 2 to 4. Okay, so Iqra, can you tell me these two will be in closed interval or open interval? Iqra, 2 and 4 can be in open interval or closed interval.
Close interval.
Uh, Here there is a no sign of equality. Okay, this is only inequality. This is not equal. So always use open interval.
Open.
Okay, and one more thing, always remember that in the denominator we can't have a zero. In that denominator we can't have a zero. So the denominator will become zero for the value x is equal to 2. So never use this value 2 as a close interval. Okay, I'm taking a break of 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so always remember the number which is in the denominator, you can't close that interval on it. Okay, so Iqra, now it is okay. Your doubt is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very
Yes.
good. Then please complete this question. X minus 10 greater than equal to 10. Oh, sorry, greater than equal to 0. Okay, please try this and share your answer. Always remember whatever the number is in the denominator, that this should always be in uh, open interval. In denominator, we can't have a 0. Okay, so Fatima, you are a new student, so you're from which school?
New Elroad International School.
Okay, so just give me 5 minutes. This class will be over in 5 minutes, and then we will continue with you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so Iram, did you completed this? What are the critical points you are getting?
I got 7 and 10.
7 and 10, very good. So to the rightmost side, positive, negative, and positive. Okay, Joan, from this expression, from this one, can you tell me that we need to take a positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Okay, very good. So we will take this part. So we will get minus infinite to 7, and then we will get 10 to infinite. Okay, so John, can you tell me this will always be in open interval? So John, can you tell me 7 will be in closed interval or open interval?
Open.
Close. Okay, because this is greater than equal to 0. So whenever we have a equal to 0, we will close this. Now this 10 will be in open or close? John, this will be close. No, this is open. Always remember the number which is in the denominator, this should be always be open, irrespective of this sign. Means equality. If this is equality, it always remember in the open interval. Whether there is a equality or not, the denominator will always remain in open interval. Please remember this, because the denominator can't be 0. Okay, Joan, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Rishan got the answer. Rishan, please mark this as a close interval. Iram and Ikhra, you are getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. So we will continue the next topic tomorrow. Just give me a minute. I will give you the homework. So I guess Nirkar sir has shared the assignments with you.
Yes, sir, he has.
Okay, okay, okay. So just give me a minute. Please mark the homework. You need to do the NCERT. NCERT. And from this chapter 6, okay, you need to do the miscellaneous. Question number 1 to 6. And question 1 to 6, and I guess 7 to 10, I have already given you the homework. So if you have not completed this, then you need to do. Okay, so this for the chapter 6. Okay, miscellaneous 1 to 6, 7 to 10 of NCERT, and just give me a minute. Then assignment. Assignment 1. You need to do question number 1, 2. Question number 1 to 30. Okay, from assignment 1, you need to do question number 1 to 30. I guess some of the questions you may have already covered. So please try to do the remaining part. Tomorrow we will discuss your doubts and then we will start the new topic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Iram, Joanne, and Rishan. Tomorrow we will continue this. Okay, you're welcome.